These are not normal police cars, because this is not a normal city. Again, news from Dubai has hit the world. And the world says, wow, I don't believe it. But here is the proof. For the first time, the Dubai Police Special Cars Unit lets TV crews go on patrol with them for this Motorvision World exclusive. Gentlemen and ladies, start your engines. These two gentlemen are Jassim and Mohammed, members of the Dubai Police Force, on their way to their patrol car, a Chevrolet Camaro SS. Before it went on its first cruise, the Dubai Police equipped the Camaro with a computer, so the officers on patrol have access to all relevant data. They put a radio in to communicate with the 999 emergency center, and they put the flashing lights and the sirens on top. The Chevrolet Camaro SS has a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine and takes the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.6 seconds. Of course, the makers of the Camaro believe there is no better cop car.
The Chevrolet Camaro really fits well with the Dubai Police Department. We ensure that we provide them a great vehicle, great performance, great comfort and safety built into the vehicle for the officer as they patrol the streets. So an extremely good fit between Dubai and Chevrolet.
Bouti Al Gandhi, whose company has been selling Chevys to the police in Dubai for more than 25 years, couldn't believe when he got the call.
For them to pick the Camaro as a police car, we were surprised actually. We never thought such a market would exist as a police vehicle. I believe the reliability of the vehicle, track record for the last 2 years, it's been launched just recently, is what made them decide on it.
Mohammed and Jassim do not even wink or smile, but act as if their car is just as normal as any other police car. But others do notice a difference. Dubai Police is one of the best equipped forces in the world. Officers from all over come to see their hyper-modern situation room.
Well, you know, Dubai is probably one of the most safest cities in the world, and I have a lot of respect for what the Dubai Police do to ensure the safety of the public.
I love my city. I love how everything works in Dubai, really. And the police is one big plus in it. When you walk out of the airport in Dubai, you feel safe from that first second. Whether you're a 5-year-old child or an old man, you still feel safe in this city.
Year by year, more people are coming to live in Dubai. But year by year, the already low crime rate is pushed further down. Major General Khamis Matar Al-Mazena is the second in command, and explains how Dubai Police does the trick.
شرطة دبي في المقام الأول تعمل على إبراز الجانب الخدمي والجانب الأمني، تحاول توجد الجوانب الفعلية بالنسبة لإيجاد البيئة الأمنية المناسبة للاستقرار الاقتصادي والاستثماري، أيضا توجد نوع من التعامل الإنساني الحضاري في اتخاذ إجراءاتها وتطبيقها، تسعى دائما للتميز في تلك الخدمات وأيضا وجودها بصورة مميزة، ودائما تسعى أن تكون الرقم واحد كشرطة أمنية في المنطقة ككل. وهذا طبعا من الأمور التي دائما ما تجعلها دائما في فكر بإيجاد ما هو كل جديد في المجال الأمني وتطوير إمكانياته، استخدام التقنيات، أيضا وتأهيل الكوادر البشرية العاملة فيها بصورة تخدم أيضا مثل ما ذكرت مستوى مدينة دبي، مستوى دولة الإمارات كدولة حضارية ذات مؤسسات تتعامل أيضا بالجوانب القانونية في اتخاذ إجراءاتها وما يترتب ذلك من إجراءات.
The crew in the Camaro patrol car have spotted a bad guy and take him on.
How fast does it go?
The driver of the pickup seems more interested in their car than he is in getting a ticket.
It's very nice. I'm sorry. You don't do it next time. I won't. Okay? Okay. It's fine.
A large part of putting supercars on the force is to promote the Dubai Police, and it works. Press from all over the world come to Dubai to report.
نحن كمدينة دبي مدينة مرشحة لإكسبو 2020 ونحن حريصين على استضافة هذا المؤتمر، فلا بد أيضا أن نوجد جانب يتعلق بالجوانب التسويقية للإمارة بالصورة اللي تخدمها في ظل ما تقدمها من خدمات مثل ما ذكرت. وجانب هذا طبعا أخذت الأمور تأخذ الجانب التسويقي الجيد من خلال وسائل الإعلام، من خلال ما تم التطرق له، على اعتبار أن اليوم المدينة تستخدم أو شرطة المدينة تستخدم سيارات ذات قيمة مالية كبيرة جدا، وإن شاء الله هناك أيضا سيارات أخرى سوف تدخل الخدمة قريبا، يعني خلال يمكن أسبوع أو أسبوعين، وتكون أيضا ذو قيمة مالية وذي ماركة تجارية قوية جدا في عالم السيارات.
Meet Marian and Badria, seasoned officers of the Dubai Police, who now share a very, very exclusive experience, patrolling the streets of the metropolis in a supercar. The ladies cruise in a Ferrari FF with a 6.3-liter V12 engine. It has 660 horsepower and only needs 3.7 seconds to make it from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. This is clearly not the only Ferrari on the streets in a city where more supercars are sold than in any other town in the world, but it is the only one with flashing lights and a siren. The ladies are on their way to the Burj Khalifa when they see a Saab driver double parked. Ferrari or not, Marian is a policewoman, and this man needs to know he is doing wrong.
Can you give me your license and registration, please? Mr. Snyder, the parking is illegal parking here. Yeah, you have to park in other place.
Okay.
So it is illegal.
Sorry, I just stopped to take a phone call.
No, it is. You cannot stop here.
Okay.
You are in the road, main
Sorry.
street.
Afwan.
So this time I will not give you any fine. So next time try to find your parking and to everything will be okay. Okay? Thank you very much.
Double park to take a call and suddenly lights behind you in the mirror. You look in the mirror and suddenly you see a Ferrari and two girls getting out and you go, what's this? It's strange, and these two wonderful policewomen get out and ask you questions. It's surreal. But that's part of Dubai.
But why have the Dubai police put the Chevy, the Ferrari, and the Lamborghini on the force?
اليوم شرطة دبي من الشرطة المميزة اللي تكون على مستوى المنطقة وربما تكون على مستوى العالم إن شاء الله. حريصين أيضا على الوصول للعالمية، ونحن في طريق إن شاء الله لأن تكون الشرطة العالمية على مستوى دول العالم ككل.
And attention the car gets. When the lady crew arrive at the highest tower on Earth to meet their fellow officers in the Lamborghini, hundreds of tourists from around the world snap pictures. Marian is still amused about all the attention.
Most of people really want us to arrest them. They want to ride the Ferrari. It's very funny things.
An arrest would be difficult for Khalifa and Ali. Their patrol car only has room for two, and the massive engine. The Lamborghini Aventador is the fastest police car in the world. Its 6.5 V12 engine produces 700 horsepower, speeds from 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds, and reaches a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. No wonder the crew has to stop at the gas station once every shift, where they are treated like every other car. Well, almost. Fully fueled, they cruise to the Jumeirah Beach Walk, another hot spot for tourists in Dubai. Here, everybody is gasping at the supercar in white and green. Except one lady.
Ich muss mal schnell. Warte ganz kurz, ich muss das machen. Hi, sorry. Yes, it's my car.
You're standing in the wrong way.
Sorry, I was just making a phone call.
You have to move or you'll give it to me.
Is that the Lamborghini?
Doesn't matter the car. This is the police car.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah, just move on.
Can I have a look?
No, just move, park the car, then you can go.
Alright, well at least I got stopped by Lamborghini. Sorry for that.
It's okay.
Now that the lady is parked correctly, she wants to have a closer look at the police car that caught her.
Hi, I parked my car now. Can I have a look?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, great. Can I have a look inside?
No, inside.
Oh, but it's beautiful. I'm sure you're having fun driving with it. But it's fine if I take a picture? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Don't do it again.
I promise. Bye.
This is the end of this exclusive report on the Special Car Unit of Dubai Police, but not the end of the story. The General has already commissioned 3 more supercars, soon to be on the roads.
هناك ماركات عالمية سوف تضاف لهذا الأسطول، وإن شاء الله يمكن أن يعلن هناك معرض للسياحة بيكون في 6/5 إن شاء الله. افتتاح المعرض بيكون هناك معروض من السيارات التابعة للقيادة العامة لشرطة دبي، وهي سيارات ذات قيمة مالية كبيرة، وأيضا بتكون إن شاء الله من السيارات اللي تخدم الجانب السياحي في دولة الإمارات ودبي بصفة خاصة، وبتكون إن شاء الله قريبة من الأماكن السياحية للمحافظة على الشكل العام والإطار بالمستوى الحضاري مو بالجيد الممتاز لمدينة دبي كمدينة تستقطب السياح، كمدينة تقدم خدماتها السياحية في ظل جو من التفاعل العالمي لوجود هذه الجنسيات. نحن نعي ونعلم أن دبي وصلت لمستوى في خدماتها. أيضا نحن كجهاز أمني أيضا شريكين رئيسيين في المحافظة والارتقاء بهذا المستوى، بما ينعكس على الوضع العام للمدينة بصفة خاصة ودولة الإمارات بصفة عامة.
Bentley Continental GT is probably the classiest way to get arrested. Its 4-liter engine pushes the heavy car from 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. No wonder, at 507 horsepower. The Mercedes SLS AMG is the winning car of the Dubai 24 Hours 2012 and 2013. So it had to be on the force as well. It boasts 622 horsepower and a top speed of 317 kilometers per hour. But the last of the stars beats them all. Only 7 Aston Martin 177Qs even exist, and one of them cruises for the Dubai police very soon. Price tag $3 million, which proves Dubai police spares no expense to keep the city safe. And General Khamis knows exactly why.
طبعا من المعروف شرطة دبي من الشرطة المميزة على مستوى المنطقة، فلذلك دائما هي حريصة على التميز، حريصة على أن تكون الشرطة الأولى في كل ما يتعلق بإمكانياتها، سواء كانت هذه الإمكانيات تتعلق بمركبات أو تتعلق أيضا بتقنية حديثة يتم إدخالها. اليوم شرطة دبي كمؤسسة أمنية بالإمارة دبي وبدولة الإمارات بصفة عامة، أو أيضا المؤسسات الخدمية الأخرى ترحب بهؤلاء السواح، ترحب بهذه الثقافات، تتفاعل مع تلك الثقافات باختلاف جنسياتها، باختلاف ألوانها، باختلاف دياناتها، فنحن حريصين على تقديم خدماتنا لكل هذه الفئات دون تميز. وهذا طبعا من الأمور التي لا نجدها نحن تعتبر تحدي بقدر ما هي تفاعل فعلي بالنسبة لمدينة عالمية مثل مدينة دبي.